Hi, let's continue in this bonus content. I'm going to talk to you about color psychology and the effects of it. Colors can invoke emotions and affect our mood. You can see the color temperatures. On the right side you can see the warm colors, yellow, red and orange, and on the left side you can see the cold colors that are purple, blue and greens. So on the top we have white, that is associated with innocence, purity, sterility, and light. We have then yellow, that is associated with happiness, cheerfulness, spontaneously, and hope. Then we have the orange, vitality, enthusiasm, friendship, and energy. Red, associated with passion, love, anger, and danger. Pink is associated with femininity, romance, tenderness, and sensitivity. So brown is associated with nature, wistful, genuineness, and trust. Black is associated with sophistication, mysterious, power, and luxury. Purple is associated with creativity, royalty, mystery, and wealth. Blue is associated with calmness, spirituality, security, and sadness. Turquoise is associated with communication, compassion, and fresh. Green is associated with calming, refreshing, nature, and relaxing. Gray is associated with professional, serious, mature, conservative. In graphic design, color is used to create visual hierarchy, draw attention, and convey a brand identity. So here you can analyze some brands and the color they use for their branding, and you can see what kind of emotion it evokes in the customer. So you can analyze it and take your own conclusion. So now we're going to analyze here the Sailor Moon cartoon. So the first main character, Sailor Moon, she uses the primary colors red, yellow, and blue. Sailor Mercury uses some tons of blue, which are monochromatic. Then we have Sailor Mars, which uses reds and purple, and the other one, Sailor Jupiter, uses green as secondary color, and to contrast they use pink, which are complementary to each other. Also, Sailor Venus uses a secondary color, orange, and also to opposite to each other they use a range of orange and blue in her outfit. So you can clearly see what colors they use, what schemes they use, and the sense they want to bring to the audience of each character, because each character has a personality and the colors go with it. So I will leave like a little description more into depth into the colors that they use and what they mean if you want to read it. But yeah, you can analyze anything with colors and see what, and you can get the sense of what the character will be or its personality due to the color they use to create them. So here in these two villains, they always use colors like reds, purples, blacks, dark greens, dark blues to invoke the emotions of danger and angry and mystery. Again, here the Disney villains using purple, greens, black, and those dark gray colors. And here in the princess is quite the opposite. It's bright colors, contrasting colors like Ariel. They use red and green. They are opposite to each other. Snow White is blue and yellow. The dress is opposite to each other. Cinderella too, purples and yellows from Rapunzel. You can check the colors and analyze yourself, so you can get so you can analyze the color theory they use behind each character and what it means. After this you will start seeing colors really differently. So yeah, analyze anything, any show you see, any cartoons, any brands, you can see the colors they use. So now we're going to analyze color in design, some clothes and interior design. Effective use of color is crucial in various design fields such as graphic design, interior design, and fashion design. Graphic design, color is used to create visual hierarchy, draw attention, and convey brand identity. Interior design, color affects the mood and the perception of space in interior design. Fashion design, color trends and combinations play a significant role in fashion design. So here they use like a green, an orange, and a pink, and with that dark black contrasting in the background. This maybe is analogous because they are all side by side of each other in the color wheel. Here we can see a similar situation like a triadic with pinks, yellows, and greens. So, and you can see the energy that these colors on the clothes get to you. The ones that use more oranges, pinks, yellows, they are more energetic, as opposed to this one that is blue and yellow and a more white toned. It's a complementary color, and you can see it's more calm. Also, this one uses blue and greens, the colors next to each other, analogous, and it's a calmer feeling, a more cold temperature on the clothes. So you can definitely analyze the clothes and see which one are more vibrant and energetic and which one are more cool and relaxed just by analyzing the colors of the clothes. And this one uses green and pink. They are complementary to each other, you know, and it's more you get this vibrant from the pink but the calmness from the green. And now let's go to home decor. So here you can see greens and oranges. They are analogous to each other, so they are next to each other on the color wheel, and they give like a vibrant, relaxing mix of feelings when you look at them. They really give like a earthy vibe. So here they use some neutral tones, and then with the contrast with the yellow pillows in the sofa. Here they use like some really vibrant green with to contrast a really pastel purple, and you can see the effect of the contrast of those both colors and the white to balance it out, because this is really colorful and vibrant when you enter a kitchen like this. So here they use like reds and blacks and beige, and so you can get this feeling of sophistication, luxury in this home decor. Here they use the colors white, purple, and black, so you can get a sense of innocence, light, purity, sophistication, luxury, royalty, mystery kind of sense when you enter a room like this. And they use pink, greens, and white, which give a sense of femininity, calming, nature, innocence, light, purity, but also the vibrant pink gives a sense of vitality and energy. And in this bedroom they use white and pinks, which gives a sense of femininity, romance, sensitivity, purity, light, calmness. It's really relaxing but feminine. And in this one they use gray tones, so it's a more serious, a more mature decor. You don't get any vibrancy from any color. It's really just plain grays and it's simple. Now let's find color harmonies in nature. Flowers offer a wide range of colors that can serve as inspiration for a harmonious color scheme. Sunflower, the bright yellow petals and dark brown center, creates a complementary color scheme with green leaves showcasing the beauty of nature's colors contrasts. Roses come in various colors, and red roses with green leaves demonstrate a classic complementary color scheme, while a pink rose with subtle variations in hue can illustrate a monochromatic scheme. The peacock displays a stunning combination of blue, green, and gold. This analog color schemes creates a sense of harmony and richness. The scarlet macaw, this bird features a striking combination of red, blue, and yellow. The triadic color scheme is bold and eye-catching. You also have a variant of blue, yellow, and green. The orange, white, and black stripes of the clownfish creates a striking color combination that can be seen as a triadic scheme. Thank you so much for watching, and get out there, go and find some color harmonies in nature. Just follow these steps: observe, photograph, analyze, and apply. Just take a walk in nature and observe the colors around you. Look at different elements such as birds, flowers, insects, fish, trees, whatever you can find at your eye. You can also capture photographs of the color combinations that catches your eye. This will help you study the color in more detail later. Use the natural color harmonies as inspiration for your own designs and artwork. So get out there and go analyze some colors.
I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye!